Are you looking for an extra source of income, or are you tired of your 9 to 5 job and you are looking for what to replace your income with? If that's what you are looking for, then this video is for you, because in this video I will be sharing with you 5 income streams that you can use to earn both actively and passively. Without wasting your time, let's dive straight into it. Alright, hi, my name is Prince Emetu. Why do you want to get another income stream? There are basically 4 reasons why a lot of people do want to get another income stream. First on the list is inavailability of time. Now, most people that are into 9 to 5 jobs do complain of not having enough time to go about their different businesses. Now, as a 9 to 5er, you are expected to be at your workplace at around 8 to 8:30. Before you get home, maybe after traffic and everything, it will be around 7 p.m. This makes you not to have any time for yourself, not to even talk about your own personal businesses. Now, another thing that makes people want to leave their 9 to 5 job is passion. Some people are working their 9 to 5 job which they are not even passionate about, and the fact that they are not passionate about this job makes them quite redundant while doing the job. At the mention of Monday morning, they get very angry, and once it's Friday evening by 5 p.m, such people are jubilating. Another reason why people want to leave their job, their 9 to 5 job, and also start a business or get a passive income is financial independence, which is mostly known as financial freedom. A lot of people do want to have financial stability in life, which I can say of a truth that it is very difficult to have financial stability when you are doing a 9 to 5 job. Because take note, if you are working for someone who is paying you 1 million naira, that means that person is making at least 10 million naira from you. If you don't want to be on that hamster wheel of working for someone over maybe 30 to 50 years before you can gather even 1 million naira or 10 million naira, if inflation has not even killed you before then going into passive incomes is the way forward. If you are watching this video, I would like you to comment in the comment section what exactly is your main reason for wanting to start a side hustle. Let's come back to the reason why we are all here. The first passive income stream on my list is freelancing. Freelancing is basically working for different organizations at a time, especially remotely. Some organizations do publish job advertisements on places like Upwork, Fiverr, and other different sites where people can go and apply for those jobs and get a remote job, and at the end of the agreed contract date, they collect their cash either through PayPal, Bitcoin, or whatsoever payment method is allowed in that website. What are the benefits of being a freelancer? Being a freelancer, one, gives you time independence because you have enough time to do it. You can decide to work in the day and sleep at night, or work at night and do other businesses that you want to do in the day. Another very important reason why you would like to be a freelancer is that you can work from any part of the country. It does not limit you from traveling. For those of you who loves traveling from one place to another, maybe one country to another, it can be anywhere in as much as you have an internet connection. Another good reason for being a freelancer is that you have no fixed income. You basically determine what amount you want to make at the end of every month, because the more you work, the more pay you get. This is still the same as trading your time for money, which I don't really advise, but this is one way of getting started into our next stream of income, which we'll be going into. But before I say that, the major thing you need to have as a freelancer is a skill. You cannot be a freelancer when you don't have any skill to offer. Moving to our second income stream, starting your own agency. Agencies are basically consultants firms which people consult to give them contract or give them jobs so that they can organize a team and fulfill or complete that contract that has been given to them. As an owner of an agency, the first thing you need is a team of people with different skills. As a digital marketing strategist, I'm working on starting my own agency whereby we can help people market their goods, market their services, even market and brand an entire business so that the brand's digital presence can be well felt. So if you are someone who knows how to manage a team that are willing to work to come together and work with you in order to achieve this is a big feat to achieve. If your dream is entrepreneurship, then starting an agency is the way to go, because an agency requires you to have a team which you are expected to manage in order to achieve some certain task. Now, what are the benefits of starting your agency? One, you have unlimited income potentials. You can have more than 1, 2, or 3 contracts in a month, depending on how good your agency delivers its product. Owning your own agency gives you an edge, especially in creative control and innovation. I can proudly say that there are some times whereby I would like to try out different styles or different approach to marketing my clients' goods and services, and some might work out while some might need an extra bit of effort or merging it with 2 or 3 different techniques or strategies. Now, this you cannot do if you are working for someone directly, because you are retrenched to that particular strategy the owner of that company is giving out to you. Another benefit of owning your digital marketing agency is that you can do what you are passionate about. Once you are doing what you are passionate about, you tend not to get exhausted or even depressed while doing it. You can continue doing that thing for over 20 to 50 years without getting fed up or exhausted. As an agency owner, you are definitely going to start your agency in a field which you are passionate about. If you have a skill and you don't know the agency that you can start up with your skill, let us know in the comment section. We can definitely give you ideas as to what agency you can start up with your skill. Moving at our third income stream, we have selling of digital courses. I can hear from the background that a lot of you are saying, oh, this is already saturated, but trust me, it isn't. Until you create your first digital course and put it out for sale, then you will know that indeed people are still looking for more and more information, and there are a lot of gaps in different niches where you can use your expertise to solve those gaps. What are the benefits of you developing your own digital course? You have unlimited income potential. You can create that digital course and post it on your website for sale, and it keeps generating income year in, year out until you bring it down by yourself. Another very important benefit of selling a digital course is that it has low overhead costs. What do I mean by this? Unlike a traditional goods that you want to sell that requires you to go and maybe buy the goods, keep it and save it. This one just requires you to put in a little bit more time and effort. This is more or less like working upfront just to make your money for future purposes. Another thing is that it gives you flexibility and freedom. Now, freedom in the sense that you have you can choose to develop this course anytime, any day, from anywhere and any part of the world, in as much as you have all your documents and all your materials in check. Currently, digital courses is high in demand, and the good thing about it is that it comes in varieties. There are different courses for different niches from different people, the fat, the old, the young, the small, the men, women, what have you. They have different courses for each person. As a digital course creator, all you just need to identify is the pain point of your target audience and profile solutions to them through a course. Now, there are a lot of places where you can sell your digital courses, starting with Amazon, eBay, Shopify, and so on. But I will recommend these 2 sites for you to sell: Seller and Skillshare. These 2 sites are mostly meant for sales of digital courses. So if you are there, you can easily get audience that will patronize your business. And number 4, which is very close to selling of digital courses, is affiliate marketing. But the best part of affiliate marketing is that affiliate marketing does not require you to put in any effort or time into it. What you just need to do is just to market the product. You don't come in contact with the product. All you just need to do is just to drive traffic to the sites of the sellers and they'll pay you a commission in return. So as an affiliate marketer, you must definitely know some techniques, especially digital marketing techniques, whereby you use paid ads to promote the product or to promote the site, and at the end of the day you get good commissions after sales of that product or after traffic has been pushed to the site. The benefit of starting an affiliate marketing business is that it has low overhead costs. All you just need to do is just to go to some websites where you get either a PPC ad or a CPC ad, whereby once a consumer clicks or makes purchases, your returns will be given to you. Another important benefit is that you have a flexible work schedule. Flexible work schedule in the sense that you can choose to do your marketing at night. Maybe if you are targeting foreign countries, you would love to do your ads at night. Or else, if you are targeting countries that we are of the same time zone in, you can choose to do your marketing in the day. Another benefit is that potential. You have unlimited income potentials. Now, as an affiliate marketer, you can market more than 50 goods at a time using different platforms, using different marketing sites. You understand? And all those things can give you return even at the same time. There are a lot of people making purchases on a daily basis and on an hourly basis. Imagine if you have like 3 or 4 or even 10 products that you are marketing, and for every hour 1 or 2 persons make purchase, and you are being given maybe 10% of that product's price. That will give you at least 100% in 2 to 3 days. So now moving into the final one, but before then, if you have tried affiliate marketing, because there are a lot of talk about affiliate marketing that it's not as most content creator claims it to be. If you have personal experience with affiliate marketing, do share it with us in the comment section if it's a viable business or not. Moving into our finance income stream, if you're still watching this video to this now, this is for you. And please don't forget to like, share, and also please subscribe to my channel. On our last income stream, we have print on demand. Print on demand is one of the most busiest markets right now because a lot of people have seen its potential. Now, print on demand is basically where you make product designs, where you make different designs and put them on a website like Amazon, eBay, Printify, and the rest. What you just need to do is just to professionally design your store in those sites and do your basic SEO on your custom design, and before you know it, once anybody make purchase of maybe a shirt that loves that design and wants you to put that design in his own shirt, you get paid for it. What are the benefits of doing a print on demand business? Now, it gives you flexibility and enough time for yourself. All you just need to do is just to put in your work as a designer. And this also requires you to have a skill as a designer so that you can be able to design good prints that a lot of people will want to use on their shirts, their mugs, their caps, and maybe other materials, maybe bed sheets and throw pillows. This is a very good business to start with because it has very low cost to start, low overhead cost. You don't need too much money to start this. All you just need to do is to make sure your designs are very, very okay and do major SEO. So another benefit of starting prints on demand business is that you can diversify into various niches without spending too much money, especially on designing. Well, having said this, if you have found any value up till this point of this video, please do endeavor to like, share, and also subscribe to my channel. So also, if you are thinking of starting a digital marketing business right from the scratch, do endeavor to click this video where I talked about the fastest path to becoming a successful digital marketer in 2025. See you in the next video.